Congratulations and welcome. You are about to discover the best Surebets scanner and free Valuebets. BetOven software is so powerful that we give you the scanner part. You will eventually end up using the robot. If you wish, we can start the installation immediately. I advise you to follow all the steps at the same time as me to leave you nothing. Stop the video if necessary, but don't miss anything. The BetOven installation scanner is simpler than the bot, so it will take much less time. Before starting the download of the installation programs, you should know that BetOven is an application working on Windows and with Java. A much lower capacity is required than for the BetOven bot, so that practically any 64-bit Windows computer with good internet speed can use it. If the computer has a Linux operating system or if you have a Mac device, don't worry, you will also be able to work with the BetOven scanner. The solution to this problem is to use the VirtualBox application and an image of Windows, which we will provide to you free of charge. Having mentioned these small clarifications, let's start downloading the necessary files to install the BetOven scanner on the Windows computer. Access the BetOven download folder we sent you by email, or which can be seen on the thank you page. Once inside, you will find 3 files: the Java file, the BetOven file scanner, and the virtual machine for Maggie Linux. Since the computer is already running Windows, download both the Java file and the BetOven file scanner. It is important to download and install the Java version that appears in the Mega Download folder of BetOven, as newer versions do not work correctly with the BetOven scanner. When Java performs updates, it often does not consider backward compatibility. Therefore, it is not advisable to install new versions of Java or update them to avoid operational problems with both the BetOven scanner and the BetOven bot. If you already have an up-to-date installation of Java, uninstall it and install the version provided by BetOven. We start with the installation of Java. It takes some time, but as you can see, the installation is very simple. Follow all the prompts and finalize. Once Java has been successfully installed, we only have the BetOven scanner left to install. The BetOven scanner is very lightweight, so much so that it is not necessary to install it. The installation file is basically the application executable, so I advise you to leave it on the computer desktop. Once the installer is placed on the desktop, all that remains is to open it and register. If a security problem occurs when opening, don't worry. Right-click on the application, go to Properties, and in the General tab, select the Unlock box. This will avoid any problems when opening BetOven in the future. Just like with the BetOven bot, double-click on the executable, and a login window will open with a registration button. If this is the first time you are trying the BetOven scanner, registration is required. Press the Create Account button to create an account by entering a username and password. Once you have created your BetOven scanner account, you can now access it without any problems, possibly one of the simplest installations of your life. In the following video, I will tell you how to set up the BetOven scanner to start looking at polls and value bets. I also recommend you take a look at the 100% automated feature by BetOven, which allows for both Surebets and Valuebets automatically.